birds in there.
You do?
Hmm? What else can it be? Oh, yeah. Those are eagles.
They're eagles. I think they're mockingbirds.
I don't know them called. Let's check and see. There's all kinds of things in there.
Yeah, all kinds of things, all kinds of birds.
Yeah, and all kinds of eagles.
Eagles.
Now where's that noise coming from?
That's a birdie.
A sea birdie?
I don't know.
Mommy, birds are not coming out.
The birds are not going to come out. That's called a tape recorder.
Yeah. It won't come out. Mommy,
The sound is in there.
Mom, they're not coming out.
No, they're not going to come out. They're going to, just the sound of them is in there. Those are the birdies at Granddad's house.
Yeah.
But Granddad has birdies that come to his house and sing to him, and he wanted you guys to be able to hear how pretty they are.
And sky.
Yeah, I think they're probably sitting in a tree.
Maybe they have wings.
Do you think they do?
Let's go see their have wings. Yeah. We'll find one. But we can't find one. One wing, and one nerve. Look, man's country. I hear a whistle. Stop. Wait, I bring my camera.
They see the flag on the sticker. That's what they were saying, flag of our country. I know they've gone to get their cameras to take pictures of the tape recorder.